Here's an unusual little thing, a little Banham kit car. We've had one or two of these in the past. Based on a Metro with a 1275, I believe, in this one. On a nice set of compomotive wheels as well. So unusual piece of kit, isn't it? Not the sort of thing you see on every street corner. I think it's in neutral. Yeah, there you go. Starts up straight away. Sounds right enough. I think there's some weather gear in there. There you go, there is. Some of your weather equipment in there and a cover over there for it as well. Can't think what the seats are out of. Look Fordish, don't they? Maybe Ford Scorpio or something like that, maybe. I'm not 100% sure what they use the seats from. Having said that, that's not Ford, is it? Oh no, it's not part of the seat. I thought they were part of the seat. Anyhow, there we are. I'll just put the bonnet down so you can see her in all her glory. There she is. There she is, unusual thing. We've got nearly 4 weeks to our next sale, so there's plenty of time for you guys to come down and have a look if you think it might be a bit of interest to you.